Hey guys, so we are here in, where are we, Yukon? El Reno? El Reno. There's he's driving us. And we are on our way to our hotel to check in for the Master Gardeners Conference. We kind of got a late start this morning because God was just really prompting me and putting some things on my heart that I felt like I needed to share. I detailed all of that over on our blog, and I feel really comfortable just leaving it there, but I know it was meant to be seen, and I know if I don't post this video, nobody will see the article really. So here I am, being brave and vulnerable and letting you know about the post. I know God is doing something great, and he's definitely moving, and I don't know what else to say, but anyway, we are...
In half a mile, take exit 123 towards South Country Club Road.
We will check back in soon. I'm sure we're going to have a lot to share from this conference, so we will see you guys later. I'll link the article below. Okay guys, we are back in the truck. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. We got checked into our hotel room earlier, and this is so cool. It's just another way that I feel like God just keeps showing us little glimpses that this is all him. You know, our channel name is Second Mile, and there is a reason for that. But anyway, we have been seeing the number 2 very evidently in our lives lately. Even Elijah, when he started soccer this year, he asked me what number he should do, and I told him to choose 15 because it's always been his number. Well, the night that he came home with his jersey, he said they already had a jersey for me, and I wound up with this, and he showed me, and it was number 2. And I was like, how weird, because God just keeps putting the number 2 in our lives. So anyway, we get in the elevator. Art was bringing in our stuff while I was checking us in. We get in the elevator, and he asked me, what's our room number? And I said, can you see that? There we go. I said 202, and then I just stopped and realized 202, and I stopped and looked at him, and he said, yeah, I caught that right away. So so anyway, we thought that was interesting, and I just know God's up to big things right now. So we are out here trying to hunt down some dinner, and we'll just keep you guys updated. But I also wanted to tell you, yesterday I had posted about Dollar General sales and everything, and I'll show later in another video because they're back in the back somewhere. But anyway, we hit up a Dollar General here in El Reno, found the cutest little Mickey and Minnie planters, which I love Mickey and Minnie because my 3-year-old grandson loves Mickey and Minnie. Anyway, I got those for him. Whoop! But they were $10 each, and they rang up as $2.50 each. So just another really cool deal from the Dollar General. I hope you guys are all, these are some bumpy roads if you can't tell. Anyway, we are off to dinner. I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. It's Mimi, Daddy. Oh, did Minnie kiss Daddy's feet?
Oh, that tickles. Minnie's nose is tickly.
Oh, is Minnie coming to kiss Gigi? Oh, Minnie's so nice. And Mickey too. Oh, you love your Mickey and Minnie? Are they kissing? Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I love you, my sugar pie. My little chocolate face boy. He's like, what, me? Oh, yeah?
Why would you say that?